Hi friends, thank you so much for supporting us by subscribing our channel. So far we have completed Abacus level 4 where we have learned all the formulas of addition and subtraction with Abacus kit. With those formula we can solve almost all mathematical problems. As we know all addition and subtraction formulas, let's start to learn Abacus in our fingers. We can use our 10 fingers as Abacus tool. How is it possible? Let me explain. Our right hand is ones place or first rod. All the 4 fingers will play as lower beats or earth beats. Value of each of the finger is 1. So total 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thumb finger will play as upper beat or heaven beat. Value of thumb finger in your right hand is 5. So total value of finger in your right hand is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So, value of all the 5 fingers in your right hand is 9. Your left hand is second rod or tens place. These 4 fingers will play as earth beats or lower beats. Value of each finger is 10. So, total 40.
10, 20, 30, 40.
Thumb finger in your left hand will play as upper beat or heaven beat. Value of thumb finger in your left hand is 50. Total value of fingers in your left hand is
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
Now, let's count 1 to 99 with your 10 fingers in right hand and left hand.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20,
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27,
28, 29, 30, 31,
32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
40,
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
50. In your left hand, thumb finger alone is 50. Now 51,
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59,
60,
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70.
70,
71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, and 79,
9, 80, 81,
81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
90. In your left hand, there is 90. Now 91,
91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99.
99. In your left hand, there is 90, 90, 90. And in your right hand, there is 9. Total value of 10 fingers in your 2 hands is 90 and 9.
99.
Yes.